everyone. We will be solving the UG Accept BBA CT paper, and this is the latest sample paper released. The first question is, the pilot was dash injured. He died within an half an hour. So pilot was fatally injured. Fatally का क्या मतलब होता है? Seriously injured, something that leads to death. Leads to death. The punch made the boxer dash in pain, wince in pain, a facial expression made in pain. Third is, since one cannot read every book, one should be content with making dash selection. The right option will be judicious, a good judgment. Next is, Satish was dash with a natural talent for music. He was endowed, naturally given. Next is, if greater security measures had been taken, the tragedy might have been dash. The tragedy might have been averted, avoided, usually used for tragedies or disasters. Next question is, the students were asked to dash the words given in 2 columns. The students were asked to match the words given in 2 columns. Next, so we have to find the alternate, out of the 4 alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words. So we have to find the substituted word. Music sung or played at the night below a person's window. The correct answer is serenade. A government by the nobles, aristocracy. A man of lax morals, licentious. Large scale departure of people, exodus. To send an unwanted person out of the country, deport. A short, usually amusing story about some real person or event is known as anecdote. Now we have to find the nearest in the meaning. The boy gave a vivid description of all that happened. So vivid का nearest option क्या होगा? Picturesque. It is compulsory for all the students to join this tour. Compulsory का nearest option क्या होगा? Obligatory. The teacher felt that the student lacked discrimination in the study of his data. Lacked discrimination. इसका क्या nearest option है? Good judgment. He was not able to judge the data properly in his document. When youngsters do not have good role models to emulate, they start searching for them among sportsmen or film stars. So, youngsters do not have good role models to imitate. The invasion of forces had no artillery and were completely annihilated. Annihilated का nearest option क्या होता है? Destroyed. Some of the discoveries of modern science are simply marvelous, simply amazing. India has made spectacular progress in science and technology, has made remarkable progress in science and technology. Now we have to find the opposites. Self-reliance has been adopted as an important objective of economic planning in modern India. Adopted का nearest objective क्या होगा? Nearest opposite? Nearest क्या होगा? Discarded. Adopted का nearest क्या होगा? Discarded. He was in a dejected mood. He was in a jubilant mood, happy mood. There was a marked deterioration in his condition. There was a marked improvement in his condition. His book has a useful introduction. Introduction का opposite is conclusion. The criminal was detained by the police. The criminal was released by the police. This offer has come as a great boon to me. Yes, as a curse to me. We received a cordial welcome from our host. इसका nearest opposite क्या है? Cold. Because cordial is also known as warm. A warm welcome. Now we have to do the passive active voice. His pocket has been picked. Someone has picked his pocket. My uncle promised me a present. I was promised a present by my uncle. Who is creating this mess? Who का क्या हो जाएगा? By whom? By whom is this mess being created? A lion may be helped even by a little mouse. Even a little mouse may help a lion. He was arrested on a charge of theft, but lack of evidence, he was released. So first option है, he was arrested on charge of theft, but was released for lack of evidence. It's the same. तो ये नहीं होगा. The police arrested him on a charge of theft, but the lack of evidence, he was released. इसमें the first sentence was changed, but the second did not change. So second भी नहीं होगा. Next is the police arrested him on a charge of theft, but for the lack of evidence, released him. तो ये हमारा correct option है. Please complete the sentence with suitable alternatives. She expects that her son may return because expects. तो expectation किसके साथ होगा? May के साथ. All felt that he dash a cheat. He might be a cheat. She dashed alone as it was raining heavily. She must not have left alone as it was raining heavily. You dash obey your parents. You should obey your parents. Meena has a lot of stamina. She dash dance all day and study all night. She can dance all day and study all night. She advised that I dash curtail expenditure on cosmetics. So curtail means reduce. So I should reduce expenditure on cosmetics. He went there, so he might borrow money. I think the news may not be true. And the last one is, if we request her, she dash to the college. She might give us lift to the college. Wait.